Lecture Discourse, Episode 2 of the English for Teaching Purposes course, produced by the Servei de Llengües at the Universitat Autònoma de Barcelona.
Are there reasons to feel angsty about lecturing in English? Well, let's see. There are countless studies dealing with classroom discourse. They focus on very different language aspects. I'm going to use some data taken from Douglas Biber's intensive study on university language. Biber's studies will help you proclaim the end of language anxiety. Here's why. Biber found out that the most popular word in American lecture halls is thing. I bet if you analyzed your own lectures, you would get very similar results. Profs seem to use simple vocabulary. Of course, the lecture will be full of technical terms and expressions that are common in their disciplines, but fairly difficult to grasp by other mortals. What is simple and to the point is the other vocabulary, the one that stitches the scientific or technical pieces together. The results gathered by Biber's team seem to point out that idioms are rarely used in lectures. It makes good sense since idioms are largely cultural and they can be a source for misunderstanding. Now let's talk about grammar. Many lecturers think that grammar is a bit unpredictable for their taste. Let's take a look at this. The tense that is most used by lecturers seems to be present simple. We speak in first and second person pronouns. That means that the protagonists of our sentences are I, we, and also you. Lectures are dialogues. You see, we assume that lecture discourse is obscure, but apparently, university classes are delivered using short sentences. We worry about the need to be flawless. We want to deliver perfect lectures, but deep down, we know it's impossible. You see, native English-speaking lecturers aren't flawless themselves. Lectures are full of repetition, awkward pauses, false starts, just like any other kind of discourse. Like any other genre, because lectures don't have to be perfect. A native lecturer will typically use expressions like well, okay, and so, most of the time. Still feeling anxious? Hope not. There's nothing to worry about. But if you're still worried, stay tuned for more.